The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla.
You're going home?
I don't know you.
Alright, sorry.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Navlet, big up yourself. Navlet, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Alright, so I just presented to you a video that is circulating on social media, and you know, some things that have been shown and said in that video. I got the understanding that a person looked at a person who was driving a motor vehicle and said, "I don't know you." Right? In my point of view, it would seem as if the person who talked in the background of the video is letting the person who's driving the motor vehicle know that I don't know you, so I'm not going in your vehicle. Viewers and subscribers, I presented that video to you as an awareness to let each and everyone out there know that they should be careful of whose motor vehicle that they're going to enter. You see me? Be careful whose motor vehicle you're going to take. Be careful who you take rides from. A lot of crazy things are happening out there, viewers and subscribers, kidnappings and all these things, and I just want each and everyone out there to know that they should be careful. You understand? Whether you're a man or a woman. Alright? You can let me know what you think about that short piece of video, and I'm going to move on to more videos. Now I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are circulating on social media, where it is said that these pieces of videos shows what happened when police from within the country of Jamaica was giving a police officer a ticket or tickets. You understand? And these pictures are screenshots of places where these pieces of videos had been posted. And I present these screenshots to you as evidence, as some things that have been said on social media about these pieces of videos. You see me? I cannot prove if the things that have been said on social media about these pieces of videos, if it is true or not. However, I'm just going by some things that have been said on social media about these pieces of videos. I'm going to present these videos to you, and then we'll talk a little bit more about these videos. And please bear in mind that these videos shows a confrontation between police officers. All right. Now, some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right. Now, here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
We'll not prove a point. We'll not prove a point, right? We're not proving a point, right?
Relax. Morning.
Is he proving a point or something? No, but if me disobey a sign, right? Me never realize. Me disobey a sign, right? And he stopped me and realize I'm a serving member. Say something to me and make me go. I tell him pull over and go up. So like a disrespect. That is disrespect. I can't say about right report. Pan who? I told you have a right. You finished with me?
No, mama, we're not finished with you.
Oh.
We need to put the vehicle in park.
But not listen. I am going to work. The one who want to after.
And I am working.
I am not putting my vehicle in no park. So I'm sorry.
And you commit an offense?
Alright, write me a ticket. Write me a ticket, officer. I am in my uniform, so write me a ticket. Write me a ticket. We don't have something look like I could not prove a point or something.
Alright, viewers and subscribers. The person who you heard talking in the background of these pieces of videos that I just presented to you, I do not know if the person is actually a police officer or not. No, I do not have any confirmed information to determine if the person is actually a police officer or not. Alright? I'm only going by some things that have been said on social media about these pieces of videos. You see me? However, have you ever heard that thing where them say no one is above the law? That is something that I heard police officers say. You understand? Yeah. Police officers said that, and I heard it with my own 2 ears. No one is above the law. You see me? So, whether you're a police officer or not, once you broke the rules of the road or the traffic laws of the road, and if you're supposed to be given a ticket, take your ticket. You see me? I mean, persons out there who are not police officers, when they are being given ticket for breaking traffic rules or laws, you understand? I mean, some of them might feel a way about it as well. So I just saw it go. You understand? Alright, you know, I'm not saying these things to be disrespectful towards anyone. You see me, I don't know what really happened before these pieces of videos have been recorded. You understand? I'm just telling you what I think and just giving some advice. You understand? Alright, so I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think about those pieces of videos that I just presented to you. Alright? The next piece of video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to some things that have been said on social media about this piece of video that I'm about to present to you, it is said that this video shows when police officers from within the country of Jamaica took away a vendor's cart and goods. See? Viewers and subscribers, there are more things that have been said on social media about this piece of video. However, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself and you can also let me know what you think. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this piece of video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Boy. Then tekset pan Mados, then lock him up weekend and in their market street now, you know, they in a town and see then take a whole line sitting and throw in a cart and they have to take one cart now and a market street the man there. A slackness this man, them a tekset pan the youth now man, them a tekset pan the youth now man. And lock up the man then turn over a blood clot at Mados, turn over a post hole. And can't see man take away all the man goods weekend, come back and take away man goods again and can't see man can't. Turn it over my house, what do you mean? Turn it over. You go look for gunman. Cause the market full and can't hold everybody. True man. Market street man, man.
Enough by law people in the life. Talk to you judge, you know. Talk to you judge in the court. Let's talk.
Uno left the man, man. Uno left the man, man. Uno can't allow the youth, man.
A thief then fi go look for come out a thief out.
But the call like I send the man go thief now.
Yeah.
Can they lock up the man weekend, no, done? They lock up the man weekend, no?
Boy and go on, man.
Lock up the man weekend. You see that boy there, him? A boy in the red eye, him. You see him? A boy in the red eye, him. Him, the one day in a white shirt, you take off all the man food knife in their hand. Him, see that boy there? Evil man, no evil. No evil man. Nothing in the law no go some man for true man. They evil man. They evil man. So me ask you a question, if a man got a coat and if get back in good. What you mean? What you mean, Mados? And a poor some go need them a carry go in yard. And then yard them a carry go to. What you mean? Me no wrong a youth. You lock up a man weekend and still come by money a market street man in a town and no still come work and take set for the man. And take away man whole cart of goods this morning plus the man cart. If I cross a bridge a different business, brother, market street this brother, we don't want people to go to thief. A thief, we don't want people to go thief. See all the boy in your red eye.
Viewers and subscribers, on a real, it's really sad to see a trying person lose his business. You understand me? No, it's really sad to see a trying person lose his business. On a real, viewers and subscribers, you know, you know what? Here's where me I gonna leave it, you know? Here's where me I gonna leave it, alright? Alright, let me know what you think about the pieces of videos that I presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. You know, I only hope that the person who is said to be a vendor, I only hope that somehow we find the strength to overcome, you know, what happened. You understand me? And I wish not but the best for each and every one. You see me I said to you? Alright, you can let me know what you think about the pieces of videos that I presented to you in this video. And I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. And you know, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, so until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.